Hey everybody, so I just wanted to give just some quick information about the Crown Reef hotel at Myrtle Beach. I have my little sticky notepad with some pointers on here so that I won't forget to mention certain things. So if I'm looking down, that's why. So overall, the Crown Reef Hotel, it was a nice stay. There were a few things, pros and cons, which that's with any hotel that you go to. So just for starters, the guest check-in is across the street from the Crown Reef Hotel. The check-in was fairly easy. When I went, the line wasn't long, which we got there kind of late. I think we ended up getting there, it had to be like around maybe 9 something, 10 o'clock. The line wasn't really long. Like I said, we checked in fairly easy. Now, one thing that I didn't know when I booked the hotel is that parking is $36, which it wasn't a valet parking or anything. It was self parking, but you still had to pay $36. The parking is across the street where the actual hotel is located. You'll see it in the clip that I insert. When I show the hotel, the parking is right there where the hotel is located. And I just want to show this just to show that it actually is $36. It was 36. Is that the part? Maybe here. Yep. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can really see it, but yep, it's $36. The hotel itself has 3 towers. We stayed in Tower 3, which a friend of mine said that tower was newly renovated, and I don't know if it's certain floors within Tower 3 that makes that was renovated, but we stayed on the 10th floor and our room was renovated. You'll see that as well. Now, another thing, when we checked in, it asked us if we had to fill out a sheet, and it asked us if we wanted accident coverage. I can't really remember the exact amount for the accident coverage. It mentioned something about furniture damage and just different little things like that you could pay for. Like I said, I can't remember the exact price, but we waived it. So they did do a $200 hold on our card, which it'll go back on the card after everything checks out. Another thing that I did like in the room was the toilet itself. It lights up at night, where it has like a blue light inside of it, which was really, really cool. The toilet is a Woodbridge toilet, if I'm not mistaken. It has a remote to go with it. It has different settings on it. The toilet seat warms, which I liked. It has where it can like shoot out like water, I guess, to clean you if you needed help cleaning yourself. It also has a feature where you can dry yourself as well. The bathroom has a warm towel rack, which I thought was really neat. That was the first hotel that I've stayed in that had one of those, so I thought that was really neat. For the shower, the water pressure was good. Water pressure gotta be good. So I like that. Let's see what else. One thing I did think was on the smaller side. We booked the king. We booked the king suite. The bed itself was a little small for a king to me, but it slept well. We were comfortable. It was me, my husband, and my daughter. She slept on the sofa bed in the living room area of the room. Let's see, the hotel has a restaurant, the Loco Gecko. I'm not gonna say I'm not really a fan of it. We did try the breakfast. I got the French toast and sausage, and my husband got, I think he had like a platter type of thing where he had pancakes, turkey bacon, supposed to be grits, but they forgot to put the grits in there, so I don't really know how the grits taste. The breakfast potatoes, which my husband liked them. I thought they was a little, had too much season on them, and I normally like season, but I don't know, it just had a different taste, so I didn't really like the breakfast potatoes. Let's see, the hotel does have an arcade. I'm trying not to be long-winded. Has an arcade. I'm trying to speed it up. Arcade, like I said, we did not try out the arcade. It seemed to have a pretty good amount of things for the kids, so that would be something cool to check out if you do decide to go. It does have a snack shop, which is like a self-serve. No one is in there. I guess they go like off the honor system, I guess. It has like a screen where you can ring up your things yourself and pay for it. I thought that was nice. Other than that, it does have pools. It has a lazy river. It has jacuzzis, a few of those. It has like a little splash pad area for like the smaller kids. It has, let's see, about 3 water slides. It does have like a water slide geared towards for the smaller kids, and then I think it's like 2 or 3 other ones like for, you know, the bigger kids or adults, even if you want to get on the water slide. My daughter loved it. Other than that, it's walking distance to the beach. It's a really nice hotel. I would say try it out, you know. If you're visiting Myrtle Beach, it's a must try. So that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and let you all get to the video. I hope you enjoy. Leave a comment down below regarding anything that you think I could add, maybe like in my next video that I didn't include, like as far as like showing you all like certain things. I'm new to this. I just decided to start just recording my rooms and everything, just to show other people, just to give other people like different ideas of places to stay. So just let me know any tips or anything, suggestions. I'm open to it. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day. checked in, our sliding doors were messed up, but we called maintenance to come fix it, and they fixed it with no problem. So just wanted to add that in there.